In recent podcast of Raza, Dipinder Goyal, founder of Zomato, came with this unique device on his face and people went crazy. What's that? Some said it's chewing gum, some said it's external STD, and some even said that this is the pimple patch. The theories were totally wild. But what he's actually wearing might be the future of health tech. And it's way more interesting than anyone guessed it. Let me tell you what that device actually is. So Dipinder Goyal came to Raza podcast to share about his entrepreneurship and Zomato's journey, and suddenly everyone in the comment zooming in on one thing: a tiny gold and silver device sitting right next to the Zomato CEO's eye. The device is called Temple and it's an experimental brain monitoring wearable Dipinder has been personally developing and wearing for over a year. This isn't some random tech accessory, it's a research prototype designed to continuously measure blood flow to your brain in real time. Yes, you heard that right. Brain blood flow monitoring. Something that was previously only possible in hospitals with massive equipment, but now sitting on your temple like a tiny piece of jewelry. But here's where this story gets absolutely wild. Dipinder isn't doing this for Zomato, and even he's not trying to sell you anything yet. He poured over $25 million, roughly around 225 crore of his own personal money, into researching something he calls the gravity aging hypothesis. His theory is that gravity itself might be slowly killing us by reducing blood flow to our brains as we age. It sounds something like science fiction, right? But he's dead serious about it. Listen, the hypothesis goes like this. Throughout your life, gravity constantly pulls blood downward, away from your brain, and over decades this reduces cerebral blood flow, which might be one of the key drivers of aging, affecting everything from memory and cognition to how your body regulates breathing, heart rate, hormones, immunity, and temperature. Temple is designed to track this blood flow 24/7, giving real-time data that has never been accessible outside of medical labs. When people asked him on social media if the device was uncomfortable, his response was hilarious. He told that it's super comfortable and not even noticeable. In fact, a couple of months ago, when a photo of me wearing Temple went public, I didn't even remember I was wearing it. Massive moment it was for me. Imagine forgetting you are wearing a brain monitoring device that cost millions to develop. That's the level of comfort I'm talking about. Now, doctors and medical experts online started calling it fancy billionaire toys and warning people not to buy unvalidated devices. And Dipinder's response was perfect. He basically said, hold up, we haven't even announced this commercially. You can't buy it even you wanted to. We are months away from any public preview. You are warning people not to buy something that doesn't exist yet. Maybe save your skepticism for when we actually launch and share the data. Fair point, honestly.